While we're on the topic of the Bandit rifle, one other thing that is kind of sketchy about it is you see that little nub right there on the side of the receiver? You're right there. That's what we call a charging handle. And on the Bandit and on the DMR back in the Reach days, it reciprocates, meaning it's directly attached to the bolt and it moves back and forth when you shoot. Problem is, it's on the left side of the gun and it's a bullpup, so it's going to come right back towards your face. This reason why the L85 is such, one of the reasons why the L85 is such absolute dog water is because even though it's based on the AR-18, a lefty could not shoot it because the AR-18 has a reciprocating charging handle. Modern bullpups like the Springfield Hellion or the IWI Tavor, at the very least either have ambidextrous charging handles or they're far enough out and they don't reciprocate, so it's not a problem.